Hey guys, so tonight I wanted to share like a nighttime routine, and honestly, this is nighttime chores, right? If you're a mom, you know. So what I needed to do tonight is do the dishes, clean the kitchen up, and get dinner started. And get dinner on the kitchen table, and then I'll clean up again before I go to bed. I've already put on my cozy clothes. I've already honestly had a little nap. Me and my husband have been burning a candle at both ends. And so I needed a nap when I got home from work today. And so I took a nap. And I didn't really want to get up and do all this, but I did it. And I feel better about it. I just got finished recording, and I'm going to get the kitchen leftovers put up and then go take a nice soaky hot bath, wash my makeup off, put on these same comfy clothes, and go to bed and do it all again tomorrow. I'm going to let you just listen to this nice soothing music because I think everybody knows how to cook spaghetti and knows how to do the dishes, and I hope you enjoy. I decided to use some Italian turkey sausage in tonight's spaghetti. I make spaghetti once a week, every single week, for the rest of my life, at least while the kids are here. And I'm fine with that. They love it. But I got this Italian turkey sausage. We don't eat pork, and we don't typically get an Italian sausage because they don't always make Italian turkey sausage, but they had it at the Walmart, and so we got that, and everybody loved it. So if they have that, I will start looking for that, and if they have it, I'll get it, and if not, I was listening to some jams on my headphones. Sorry. But if they don't have it, we'll just use regular ground turkey, and everything will be fine. I did have to take the casing off. I don't know what casing is made of, and I don't want to know, but we didn't need it. I took it off. Garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper. The cleaning portion is like every cleaning video ever, right? Empty the dishwasher, load the dishwasher. My little stepdaughters she won't take a lunchbox, and so she puts her Tupperware in the book bag, and the Tupperware broke and leaked fruit in her bag, so that's what she's doing. We use Prego spaghetti sauce 100% of the time, every day, every time I make spaghetti. these knives that I'm about to wash are hand wash only, and I haven't been able to get to them lately. So I have to go ahead and give them a quick scrub after I get the spaghetti drained. It's pretty relaxing watching that spaghetti steam. The best thing about spaghetti is it takes no time to cook, and dinner was ready in a jiffy. I plated up the kids' food, I plated up my husband's food, and that's it. Dinner was done, dishes were done, and now I'm gonna go relax. I hope you guys have a wonderful night. I'll see you on the next one.